Hi everyone, my name is Alana Gold, and just like you, I'm always looking for youthful, gluey, and hydrating skin. So Kelsey, can you make that happen?
Absolutely. So we already have a really soft, kind of daytime look going on here, but I'm gonna really add a lot of glow. I'm gonna take the Avon True Color Illuminating Stick and really just give you that really big highlight, that glow, and it's gonna give you really instant youthful skin. So I'm going to take the Avon True Color Illuminating Stick, and I'm just gonna start by putting it on your high cheekbone, and then I just like to dab it in with my finger and just kind of blend it around. And I'm gonna do the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna do a little bit right here, just so when it catches the light, it gives the illusion of just a really kind of dewy forehead. Above the cupid's bow. I like to blend with my finger a lot of times because your fingers are a little warm and it's really gonna move the product and just kind of marry it into the skin. Just a little bit down here on the chin.
You make it so easy.
It is easy. I'm just using this stick and my fingers, and I know you can do this yourself. And turn this way, I'm gonna do the exact same on the other side. I'm just gonna put this on your high cheekbone. And just, again, blend with your fingers. And since we already did the nose, we don't really need to go over there. The only other place that I'm gonna do is a little bit under the brow bone, just to kind of highlight her brow shape.
I'm glowing. Please go to our website to find even more products that make you glow, just like me.